Welcome to Kitty Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute kitty witch. Draw the face outline. Draw 2 circles for the eyes, then add 2 eyelashes in each. Draw the kitty's mouth. Draw the bottom of the hat, then draw 2 triangles for the ears. Draw the ribbon of the hat. Then draw a large cone shape to make the top of the witch's hat. Draw the folds of the collar. Then draw a V shape under the face, right in the middle to make the neckline. Draw 2 lines coming down from the shoulder. On the right side, draw 2 lines coming down from the shoulder to make the arm. Draw the folds at the end of the sleeve and the hand coming out of it. Draw the bottom of the cloak. Draw the feet coming out under the cloak. Draw the broomstick intersecting the bottom of the cloak and the kitty's hand. Decorate it with a few stripes. Draw the broom head and the bristles. Draw the tail of the cat coming out from behind. Congratulations! Now you can draw a cute kitty with. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring.